when you get out of bed in the morning, what do you want to do today that's exciting? And I do that. I get up and I talk to people about ASEA, about changing their life, and it's a very passionate thing. I've got the passion back, and it was missing for 10 years.
ASEA has reignited my belief system in this industry, that it can be done right, it can be ethical, it can be founded on products that work. We've got a breakthrough in science. We've got a breakthrough in the thinking process of how to do a business and how to put network marketing back into the integrity space that it needs to be in.
Network marketing, it's always been out there for me, and I've always looked at the business plan and thought, wow, that's great, but could never get behind a product. The products were all the same, and where I work, we get inundated by them all the time. And finally, when I saw ASEA and I saw how it was working inside the body, I had to jump. And the support of the company and the owners, the people involved, it just feels like family.
What really drew us to this business was hearing Virtus and Jim say that they wanted to change the perception of network marketing.
The product itself is an absolute miracle that it was created the way that it is. I think it's also a miracle that this product landed in the hands of someone like a Virtus Norton and a James Pack that know what to do with it and know how to take this to the levels that we all want to reach.
There's no question that the reason I'm in ASEA is directly related to having Virtus and Jim involved with the company. I mean, I joined ASEA because I wanted to join them.
When I sat in that room and listened to Virtus and heard him talk, this is a guy that comes straight from the heart every time, and you can feel it. And everybody that I brought to that meeting and that I've brought since has that same sense. They come back and go, this guy is authentic, he's for real, and he's a cut above anybody else that we've ever worked with.
It's not just his experience in the corporate world, it's who he is as an individual, his character, his ethics, everything about him.
To hear the integrity and conviction behind these two men, and to hear the stories of what this had done for people, just made me so excited to want to share this with as many people as we could, as quickly as we could.
One of the things that drew me to ASEA was the integrity of Virtus, Norton, and Jim Pack. And they've demonstrated that over and over since. We've never seen a paycheck late, inaccurate, and product shipping on time. It's just been phenomenal, a great, wonderful, refreshing experience.
ASEA has given so many people hope that they can really have a better life, both physically, emotionally with this product, and financially.
And when you have something like ASEA, the product, the people, the business, it's unparalleled.
We looked at this and said, with or without Tom and Denny Robinson, this company is going to go somewhere, and we want to be part of it. And the growth that we've experienced in just those few months, we would have missed out on that.
So what we've been doing here is attracting people, the right kind of people, the right energy, very just wonderful people to work with, and that's been fascinating. It's been a lot of fun.
I have never seen anything that has the potential that ASEA has to impact so many people and to be such an incredible business opportunity.
We've got such an incredible opportunity here with the leadership, with Virtus Norton and his background, and Jim Pack, and just the whole corporate leadership. It's so important. And the product, the uniqueness of the product. And when you put those things together, it just creates a fantastic opportunity. And then you add to that the lifestyle that comes along. When you wake up in the morning, you're not thinking, who do I have to compete with today? You wake up and you say, who can I help today? And the more people you help, the more successful you are. And that creates a whole different chemistry in your life.